is just not one of those penny stocks that comes around every day. And I wish someone showed me what almost, well, I guess you can call it the ideal play looks like that is worth holding and is possibly a life changer. This sucker moved at some point 2,000% in one day yesterday, and then presented opportunities here of 100% to 20, 30% gains in a matter of minutes today as well. And it's not like it's, you can't trade big size here. It had so much volume today. It has it, and yesterday had over $1.5 billion, I think, of volume that you could throw in 50K, 100K, 200K into it, and be comfortable with basically exiting at any point. Because a lot of the times there just won't be volume to be able to trade size and make an actual good amount. But this sucker basically allowed you to do that. And a few of the things that made it so great for me personally is the fact that its news was relevant to what's going on. They acquired a blockchain company that's cryptocurrency related. It's like a marketplace, I believe. And they were more importantly evaluated at like 400 mil last year. And with everything that's been going on and all the hype building around crypto, I'm sure they're worth more in today's world than they were in 2019. So compared to the price and the amount of shares that were available, I believe it was undervalued somewhere around 30x below what it was trading at before this news came out. So you could have either diamond hands it all the way through, which I don't recommend, or you could play it safe and trade the breakouts basically, or rather trade in anticipation of the breakout. So yesterday I personally traded from 73 to I think 0.01, and that's it. I didn't touch it anymore, but I wish I did, of course. And I was looking to get in here on the trade on the dip as well in the morning, but I was making coffee for my wife and missed it. So that coffee cost me 100% gain. But yeah, basically another reason why I really like this was because it was trading really strongly above VWAP. And for me personally, I believe that when it trades above VWAP, everyone's happier. So everyone's more inclined to stick around. And especially in the penny stock world, when people stop feeling good about what they're trading, the volume just dries up really quick. As you can tell today, the volume's getting really choppy. It's getting lower and lower because of choppy action up here. It's going up and down, and can't really tell what it's going to do here. You never know. It can go up, it can go down. There's no one way that you can tell which way the wind's going, basically. So this whole day it was trading above VWAP, and like I said, I feel that when the herd feels good about their investment, they're in the green, they're more likely to stick around in this pasture. So that makes me feel more comfortable as well to just stay around and give it some patience, give it some time to set up the next breakout, and then believe that a next breakout's coming as well. So you can tell every single breakout pretty much worked here up until the last trading hour. And that's why I freaking love this play. It's very rare that you see something like this. I think it only comes around, I personally have only seen it maybe once every month or once every 3 months, depending on the season. But when they do come around, they can really change your life. So for people out there that are just starting trading and all that, I really recommend just take your time, don't trade often, and look for the suckers that are they're offering something great to the marketplace. So this one, they were relevant. They didn't dilute shares, or at least nothing in the amount that killed the run. What they acquired was worth a lot of money, and it was relevant. It was relevant, and it was getting hyped very well because of what it provides. People are psyched about the crypto space. They've been to the moon and all that. for a year now. So I mean, this is the right place, the right time, and a lot of people got rewarded for it. So take a look at LCLP if you have a chance. Go over all of their different elements. If I were you, and just use it as kind of like a poster boy of what you can get out of trading penny stocks, at least good ones. This is super awesome. I'm still excited to have witnessed this. I only witnessed maybe 10 to 15 of them a year, so this is something that I'm really happy to share with, especially people that are just starting out in this industry. It's really cool to see this. I'm sure a few people really made bank on this and their lives were changed. So yeah, review it. The only thing by the way, that I didn't like about it was I think it had a reverse split scheduled in it in the filings, which was a little sketch. That's why I personally didn't go all in. I was kind of hesitant about that, but I didn't see in the beginning that the company they acquired was worth 400 mil. If I did, I probably would have went more in, but by the time I figured that out, it was already breaking 0.01, and it was up like 1,000% at that point. So I didn't want to take the risk, and I didn't see any panics that were big enough for me to re-enter. Hence why I was saying I wanted to enter today in the morning and got distracted. But yeah, take a look at it. It's really worth your time. This is awesome, man. I hope you guys make serious money doing this. If you have any questions, shoot me one in the comment section or whatever you want to do. Thanks. Bye.